Okay, hey guys, welcome back into another video, and today we are going to be playing Build a Boat, and we are currently on black team. We want to try to get on white, because white is the best team, because it has the best launching point, so we're just going to go try to get, if we can't, then we'll just have to stick with black, but we are on white, so let's go. Hi, hello. Okay, that's funny. But we can do more. Oh, yeah, he just reset. Yeah, I'm gonna reset too. Yeah, I just reset too because, yeah, there's one new stage. Okay, let's actually do this for real, my guy. Let's actually do this for real. Okay, what can I, please don't launch. Uh, uh, oh, oh my god, okay. Sorry. Anyways, okay. So I'm working with someone here. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Let's open the door. Oh god, yeah. Can I be on my own team? Yeah, I want to be on my own team again because I don't like this dude. I don't like him. I don't like him. Okay, we're gonna go back to blue. I mean, we're going back to white. I mean, to black. Oh my god, why can't I just say that properly? Okay, well, we are going ahead and going back. I know a way to get easy free cash. Well, I don't recommend you using wood because that's kind of this. Winner blocks. 5 of these I won 5 times. Oh my god, I have 0. Well, these blocks are strong. I'm gonna use strong blocks. Blocks that are strong. Because if you use blocks that aren't strong, they're gonna break easier. Because this right here, I know how to get easy goal in what's it called again? Build a boat. Yeah, build a boat. Okay. Here we go. We have our boat, and now we just want to place. We just want to place. Oh my god, why is this person over here? Okay. Motor at the back. And we want to grab one of these chairs, plonk it on there, and this is connected to that, and then you can just launch the boat. Oh god, might have made a mistake. No, yeah, he's up there. Uh, so yeah, guys, I made a mistake on that. But anyways, anyways, people make a mistake. Which whatever I'm doing is totally safe. I just need one other thing. Is it invisible? It's probably invisible. Nope, 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 nope. Pew, pew. Okay, here it is. So we got a sword. So we got a sword, and we got a um, and we got a gun, and we got a jetpack. And I think there's candy that makes you grow huge. Oh, yeah, I totally forgot about that. Oh, so this, now we're set. This gives you a boost. You'll boost backwards. If you boost this, you'll boost that back. But anyways, yeah, it takes a while to reload. But anyways, let's get right into the video. Okay, here we go. I messed it up last time. Cause I placed the motor in the wrong position. So much metal. Metal. It's crazy, yo. Okay. Slowly making this come to life. Oh gosh. Metal is hard to break, guys. Metal is hard to break. So if we just do this, we're gonna be safe. Uh, Here we go. Okay, now we just want to place the motor in the right position. Connected. I forgot to make it connected to the thing, like inside of it. So we got our seat now. And I just have a jetpack just in case it goes out of control and I can just fly away now. Yeah, there we go now. So we can go back, front, and yeah. So here we go. This you can actually make this boat just from just from the start, but you have to do it with the wood, so it's not as strong. But anyways, you can get some easy money with it. We can even visit other people, like this dude, and we can ride on land. See, we can ride on land. We can check out other people's bases. Okay, is that cheese? I think that's cheese. No, that's not cheese. I could basically check out other areas. Other people's areas. Okay, let's go. And guys, if you have not seen the secret in Build a Boat, if you go behind here, you can actually go in here. And it is a secret room. But there's a combination for this, but I don't know. Oh, yellow. Wait. Red, blue, green. Oh, I messed up. That's what happens when you mess up, I guess. That's what happens when you mess up. I did not realize that. Okay, that's what happens when you mess up. I'm definitely not doing that again. Yeah. I want to go check that out again and see if I can do it. Let me just make a small version of the boat. Boom, and then I can just place my chair up there. And then I'm gonna be all good. Yes. So then he can just go off. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Okay, we are in. Now guys, before we go in, I actually just want you guys to rate your head, like and subscribe because that would help me out a ton. And my boat is, hey, boat, come back here. Come back here, boat. My boat just crashed. My boat. My boat just crashed. Okay, guys, but I think we will do a part 2 on this, and we will unlock that door in part 2. So, see you later then. Peace.